The LitezAll rechargeable ultralight flashlight is very useful in a variety of situations. Let's take a hands-on look. Inside the package is the flashlight, a micro USB charging cable, and an instruction booklet. The ultralight is rechargeable and should be charged fully before using it. The flashlight can be charged from any USB power source, including computers, wall chargers, or power banks. The charging port is located just below the power switch. After plugging the included charging cable into your desired power source, lift the rubber port cover and plug in the micro USB plug. A charging indicator blinks while charging. 4 solid blue lights indicate charging is complete. The internal non-replaceable 1200 mAh 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery takes up to 3 hours for a full charge. The charging indicator also doubles as a battery life indicator during use. The LitezAll Ultralight flashlight is aptly named, weighing in at just 4 ounces. The flashlight measures 5.75 inches in length by 2.25 inches in diameter. It's made of high-strength resin with a rubberized TPR coating and is IPX4 weather-resistant. Selecting the flashlight's 4 light modes is done from a single switch. Flashlight brightness modes are high at 120 lumens with a 4.5-hour runtime, low at 60 lumens with a 6-hour runtime, and strobe at 120 lumens with an 11-hour runtime. The flashlight features a hybrid light beam, simultaneously producing a non-adjustable, wide, and tightly focused beam for hundreds of feet. The side-mounted COB LED light panel is 190 lumens with a 3-hour runtime. The LitezAll Ultralight is a great go-to flashlight for workshops, camping and fishing, and general daily use.